Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about the voice change of assertive sentence in case of present perfect tense. I have already told that to change from active to passive voice, first of all we have to identify the subject, verb and object. That means example 1, I have helped him. Here I subject, have, thereafter helped. It is MV3 main verb third form, thereafter him it is object. Similarly second sentence, the boy subject has, thereafter written, it is MV3 main verb third form or past participle form of the main verb. Two stories object. Now look, subject have or has plus MV3, that means present perfect tense. To change the voice from active to passive, first of all we have to identify subject, verb and object, and thereafter we have to identify the tense of the verb. Subject have or has plus MV3, that means present perfect tense. Now we will change them into passive voice. First one, I have helped him. Him will be changed into subject he. Thereafter you have to remember present perfect tense, that means have or has will come. He has. Thereafter perfect, for all perfect, BEEN, been, it will come. He has been. Thereafter MV3 helped. He has been helped by, I becomes me in object. He has been helped by me. Here him changed into subject he, thereafter has, thereafter perfect, that's why been, thereafter helped, it is MV3 main verb third form or past participle form of the given verb, thereafter by preposition, and thereafter me, it is the object of the subject I, and here it is prepositional object. Similarly the second sentence can also be changed into passive voice. The boy has written two stories. Two stories. This object will be subject. Thereafter present perfect, that's why have or has. Two stories have. Thereafter perfect tense means BEEN, been in passive voice. Two stories have been. Thereafter MV3 written. MV3 main verb third form or past participle form. Two stories have been written by the boy. By preposition, the boy, it is object. Two stories have been written by the boy. In this way we can change present perfect tense assertive affirmative sentence into passive voice from active to passive. Now if the assertive sentence becomes negative, that means I have not helped him. The boy has not written two stories. If the assertive affirmative sentence is changed into negative, that means if the present perfect tense is in the negative assertive form, then not will be placed just after have or has in both active and passive voices. That's why I have not helped him. He has not been helped by me. Similarly, the boy has not written two stories. The two stories have not been written by the boy. The boy has not written two stories. Two stories have not been written by the boy. That means if the present perfect tense is in the negative assertive form, then we have to place not just after have or has in both active and passive voices. In this way we can change assertive sentence, affirmative and negative both, in present perfect tense from active voice to passive voice.